How to use the YouTube app to generate images and also animate images inside the YouTube app. Yes, you can use the YouTube app to generate images and also animate them inside the YouTube app. In this video, I'm about to share with you how to use the YouTube app to generate images and also animate them inside the YouTube app. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Silva, and on this channel I share tips and tricks on how to grow on YouTube. Recently, I just find out that you can generate AI images and animate them inside the YouTube app. In case this feature was recently added into the YouTube app, I think I noticed this feature about a month or 2 months ago, which I know that a lot of creators are not aware of. That's why I've decided to come to share with everyone on how you can actually use the YouTube app to generate images and also animate them.
Good
Yeah, make them
morning.
talk or make them do something
Good
you want
morning.
them to do.
Are you getting enough?
This video showing up here, I used the YouTube app, though I
Good
used
morning.
Gemini AI to generate the image. Then I used the YouTube app to do what she is doing. With that much being said, come on, let me show you how you can use the YouTube app to generate images and also animate them inside the YouTube app.
So when you go to your apps, you click on the YouTube app. Please, and then you click on the plus button where you see your post, your video, your shorts going live, where those options are. Please click on shorts because you're not going to see this exact feature on any of those live. You're not going to see it on post, on live, on long form video. You're only going to see this feature on shorts. So using shorts, you can generate as much video as much images as you want. Then you can use your editing app to do that. Before then, so when you click on the shorts, they're going to show you a lot of samples. This is a lot of samples that you can go with, like a lot of already generated imaginations that you can use to generate yours. But then we are working with a raw, like something you just want for people who create fairy tales, folk tales and the rest. So you just have to go and you type on describe what you want, right? Then you type your prompt. I'm not really good at prompting, and I didn't use GPT. I just decided to freestyle for the sake of this tutorial. So I just freestyle. I told, please generate a picture of a beautiful white cat, like a beautiful white cat. Remember that AI works with what you give them. Please, if you are not very good at prompting, use GPT. Just tell GPT what you want and they are going to help you generate it. So after writing what I want, I remember I said the picture of a very fine cat, a beautiful cat in a green garden. Sorry, the truth, another thing is that this thing takes time to load. Yeah, you have to wait, and you have to have a stable network, because if you don't have a stable network, it's not going to download into your phone. You have to try again and again. So make sure you have a stable network before you start. So yeah, it takes time to load. Let's wait till it loads. uh So here, this is what we have. A very beautiful card, though it gave me its own style. So I didn't talk about the black patch on the face, but then we go with this. But then if what you gave was not what you wanted, you can keep prompting. Yes, that's what people do. They keep prompting. People prompt like one scene. People can prompt like 10 times before they get before they get what they want. Yes, you can prompt up to 10 times before you get what you want. So you can keep prompting, keep prompting. These are for people who deals with animals and so I also want to try another prompt for people who use AI to tell African stories. So let's see what is going to. I say, generate a picture of a beautiful African woman wearing Igbo attire. Yeah, I think that's what I said. Yeah. So I actually want to know what is going to give me for human generation. Like we just tried an animal, so let's try for human, because last time I tried, it was telling me that it doesn't generate human. So I decided to try human while I was doing this tutorial, and look at what it gave me. Even though the picture was not the picture was not clear, but it's still nice. But another advice I'm going to give you is that if you do African folktale, please use another AI to generate your image. Then use YouTube to animate it. That is, use YouTube to like to tell you to do what, if it's dialogue or you want to see where the picture is fetching water or stuff like that. So just use another, because YouTube this YouTube um this YouTube generation of human figure is not really that bright, and it's not really that clear like the real clear one. So another thing I want to try is that I want to use my picture. I want to show you another one. I want to use my picture and animate it inside the YouTube app. You see, you're going to see what it's going to give me. You're going to you're going to be wowed. So I said, using this my picture, I said generate. I uploaded my picture. Yeah, this is my picture. Yeah, that I took with my camera, not from, I didn't generate it from the YouTube app. So I said, generate a picture of me in front of a big pot of Nigerian jollof rice. Let's see what it's going to give us. Remember that this is not an AI picture. This is the picture I took, the picture of me I took with my camera. So let's see what YouTube is going to give us. Let's wait. Like I said, it takes a lot of time. Yeah, YouTube generation takes a lot of time, so you have to be patient. That's, I don't know, I think they're still updating the future. It's going to get better. Yes, it's absolutely going to get better. So at for now, when you're using it, you have to have a lot of patience. You have to wait for it to generate for real. Just like I said before, if you are not good with prompting, please use Gemini or use ChatGPT to
Wow,
write,
this
to
looks
say what you want and
absolutely
tell them to give you a prompt. So look at
amazing.
what we
It's
have here.
ready,
I
just
don't
the way I
understand
like
though.
it.
You too, where is the ring coming from? I'm like, it is really me.
Wow,
Do I
this
look
looks
like this?
absolutely
No, the
amazing.
dress,
It's
yes, it captured my
ready, just the
bag.
way I like it.
But the ring and the face, I don't really know. But then I think it's my prompt. So
Wow,
when you
this
give it
looks
a better prompt,
absolutely
it's going to give you
amazing.
something better.
It's
And this is more
ready,
brighter.
just
This
the
is
way I like
more,
it.
this
Wow,
generation
this
is
looks
more,
absolutely
I think, see, it's
amazing.
very
It's
clear. Like
ready, just the way I like
it's
it.
better than the other one that
If you
was
have watched
given.
this part of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also tell me in the comment section if this video was really helpful to you. This brings me to the end of this video. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.